Hello and welcome to Christ Center Gamer's unboxing video of the HM57 smartwatch. There's a whole lot of options out there when you're looking for a smartwatch. You can spend a couple $100 or you can like go in the opposite spectrum on Temu or whatever and buy $6 watches or $13 watches or whatever. I've done that before and those watches have lasted me a week. So I am, there we go, struggling a little bit getting the plastic. There's like a thin layer of plastic around this box. So this is, yes, the HM57. I looked it up on Amazon and it's like a $30 watch. But it has a whole lot of features. So, the Amazon listing, alright, well, I'll have to look it up. But it's got, I think, IP68 waterproofing. It'll monitor your, let me get this knife really quick. It'll monitor your sleep for you. You can check your heart, I think your blood oxygen levels. So yeah, if you're ever struggling with a cold or a cough that's in your lungs, it's a good idea to make sure that you're getting high oxygen in your blood there. High 90s at least. Alright, so thank you for choosing this product. So this is the FITVII. So you go to fit7-support.com. There's a QR code. Alright, so the touch, it's got a touch screen on there. Comes with a black face unit, black strap. These straps are pretty standard, easy to change. I got a pink one on this one. But yeah, so it's a 240 by 284 resolution. I was gonna say resolution. 5. Okay, yeah, these are pretty standard. Like the magnetic charging. Right here. So yeah, so pretty easy. So yeah, usually there's like an Android iOS app. Yep, down. Oh, so it's the Fit Cloud Pro. So there's the QR code for that. So that way it synchronizes with your phone via Bluetooth, and that's how it'll get your time and stuff like that. So you could change. Beautiful. So yeah, you can have like your weather, but also you can you put your like weight in and stuff like that. So you can change it between pound and kilograms, and Fahrenheit or Celsius for temperature. So yeah, you get the weather report on there, which I love. So yeah, so it's got a sports mode. Let's see, walking, running, climbing, cycling, a heart rate monitor. It's pretty standard. The blood oxygen, I think we covered that. Sleep tracking, pretty standard. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So waterproof is rated IP67 according to the manual. So yep, so that's it. So $30 watch. We'll be checking it out. I think my son's gonna probably want this one. His other brands, of course, but the screen gets cracked, so you can get like a little screen protector that'll help with the longevity, because these things over time they'll get scratched or whatever. Which I don't feel so bad losing or scratching a $30 watch versus a $300 one. So, but yeah, so stay tuned for our review. That's it. We'll see how it works and make sure it doesn't fall apart in a week like some of the cheaper models. So, hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. God bless.